National Testing Agency is responsible for GPAT application form for empowerment mission. Last year, the NTA began the registration in the third week of December. It is most likely to release the official notification along with the application form around the same year this year as well. Candidate can apply for GPAT through online mode only. The application process of GPAT consists of various steps such as registration process, filling the application form, uploading the scan images, application fee payment, etc. To ensure there is no mistake during the application process, we will discuss how to apply for GPAT in detail in this video. Detail regarding for GPAT application form. The basic requirements that are necessary to fill GPAT application form are name of candidate, gender, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, email ID, phone number, nationality, name of college, year of graduation, scanned photo and signature, a valid debit or credit or net banking account detail for making application fee payment. How to fill GPAT application? Here are the simple steps that the candidate must follow to fill GPAT application form. Step 1. Registration. First, visit the official website of GPAT. Under the News and Events section, candidate would find a direct link for registration. The first time user will have to click New User tab and read the guideline carefully. After reading the instruction carefully, candidate should click on the tab indicating accepting the declaration and proceed. After that, candidate must enter the basic details such as name, mobile number, email address, date of birth, mother's name, father's name, educational details, etc. After filling in the necessary information, candidate must click on the Submit tab. After submitting the page, a 6-digit password will be generated. The password will be shown on the screen and also will be sent to the candidate email address. It will also be sent to the candidate mobile number as an SMS. Once done, candidate will have to log in into the portal using the registered email ID or registration number and password. With that, they will have to access the application form. Candidate must fill the application form carefully and leave no scope for mistake. Second step, uploading the image and signature. Candidate must upload a scanned copy of their passport size photograph and signature as a part of GPAT application process. The photograph and signature should be uploaded in the following size and format. Step 3. GPAT application fee. Candidate can pay the application fee via online or offline mode. The application fee for general and OBC category is Rs 1400, while for reserved categories such as SC, ST and PWD category, the application fee is Rs 700. Important point for GPAT application form. Candidate will have to complete all the discussed steps to submit the GPAT application form, else their application will not be considered complete. Candidate can only complete the GPAT application form through online mode. No application form will be accepted by post. Candidate must fill the application form correctly and accurately. The application fee of GPAT is non-refundable. NTA shall not be responsible for the verification of the information provided by the candidate nor the document uploaded by the candidates. Hope you found this information useful, and do not forget to invade our comment section and leave your thought as well. If you have any doubt, then do not forget to visit our official website at www.collegedecor.com.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.